Hello students. So today we are going to learn swan drawing with basic shape. Okay. Whatever animal, bird you will draw, you should draw basic shape for that first. Okay. So here for example I am showing you swan how to draw with basic shape. Okay. So let's start. For this you require any color paper. Here I am using black. You can use any color, but white swan we have to do, so I'm using black. In that I'll use all white shades. Okay, I'll try to make it's little difficult on white, sorry, on the black, and even on the white it is challenging, but once you do your drawing perfectly, it will be easy for you. Okay, so take any color paper and oil pastels, watercolor, whatever you want you can use, or mixed media you can use. Okay, let's start. Here first, for swan drawing I am going to place its basic shape. I am using white pencil for drawing because my paper is black, so I am using white pencil. Now here for drawing head I am using basic shape, that is oval. Okay, then I'll draw two curve lines. Okay, and if you'll see here, it is one big oval which is little cross. Okay, little cross in this angle. Like this basic shape first you will draw, and then you have to start its drawing. Now see, it's a swan drawing is almost like duck only, but you will see its wings are very graceful. Okay, so that little changes are there. Slowly we are going to complete our drawing with pencil this white pencil only. I will complete my drawing first. Line should be rhythmic. Okay, see, this is our oval and here this wing is going up. As I told, lines are rhythmic. Here we are drawing second wing. That also should be in the same direction. Just slowly you will make details. Here I am just drawing basic lines. Then now details we are going to do. This wing is behind, so we will not get its drawing. We will not get full drawing, so we will just draw its see. Now details for wing we are going to do. You can turn your paper however you want. So if you'll draw with basic shape, it will be easy drawing. Even for eye you can draw basic shape, oval, and then make details. Okay, now we are going to make its shading. Okay, for this I will use blue, white, okay, all light shades, little dark, okay, dark blue, but white maximum we require. Okay, let's start its shading now. Okay, with white only you will do maximum shading. Here if you want you can do same coloring with watercolor, but better if you do in oil pastel, because here I am going to show you oil pastel method only. See, here you have to do shading with in line form. It's hair, you know. So for feather effect you have to draw lines like this. If you have color pencil, even with color pencil you will get nice shading. But I am showing here oil pastel. So you also try in oil pastel. I will suggest you oil pastel. After that, even if you want to draw in, see here I am using line form, okay, close lines, and neck is, see here neck is round cylinder shape, so we are doing light to dark. We'll hold one direction light and according to that we will make light to dark. First we will complete body part. Here somewhere I will use dark blue, okay, little, because full swan it is in white, but to show it's a dark tone I am using light blue and even dark blue. Even I am taking advantage of black. I have black paper, so I am taking advantage of black also. See, I will leave one black line in surrounding of eye. So somewhere I am getting light blue also with the mixing of white and blue. This looks very beautiful when you do strokes shading. Okay, now I will turn to second wing. Okay, here my already blue is there, so I am getting light blue, and I will leave one thin line of black here over here, okay, to show separation of two wings. Same way here also I will do with dark blue. See, I'll get shading with blue and white. Remember, you have to do shading with crayon in line form. Okay, I am not using plain color anywhere. I am using line form only. Okay, so when it will get mixed in the white, बोल आता चल बोलायचंच. काय काम आहे? जाऊन येऊ काय? प्लॅनिंग कर आणि जा ना तुझं तो. जाऊन येऊ हे मला विचारायचं काय कारण आहे? सगळ्या गोष्टी काय मला विचारून आणि मी सांगूनच करायच्या का? तुझे प्लॅनिंग कर ना तू. तुला कोणत्या वारी काय? मी तर विसरली होती तू जाणार आहेस. तुला जायचं आहे ना. एक फोन ॲक्सेसमध्ये करते म्हणजे तुला तिथे बोलायला होईल. आणि बोलच कोणत्याही परिस्थितीत जाऊन पुढे बोल. आता उद्या परत एक फेरी मारायची गरज नको लागायला. ते थांब आणि बोल.